Yes, I'm back again on my channel. Welcome back on my channel. Welcome back to my YouTube page, YouTube podcast. I want to podcast something right now. Right. So, in other videos, past videos, previous videos, I spoke about the work, the project being done by the government of Zimbabwe to build Bulawayo to Victoria Falls Road. Right now, as I talk to you. So, in this video now, I want to speak about uh, the positive effects, positive things that are going to come out from this development, from this great project, building, reconstructing, engineering this road right from Bulawayo straight to Victoria Falls, starting from the Bulawayo town center, Bulawayo city center, going all the way to Victoria Falls town, right? As you know, Victoria Falls is a premier or premium international tourist destination. So when the road gets finished, gets completed after 8 good months. This is what they've planned. Gonna take 8 months to finish this road. So after it's done, everything's completed. Uh, this country, Zimbabwe, is going to have a lot of tourists coming to this country, Zimbabwe, going to Victoria Falls, using that road, flying on that route, Bulawayo to Victoria Falls route. So Zimbabwe is going to witness a great number of tourists, a high number of tourists come to Zimbabwe. Uh, as in response to building that road. Because, of course, right now, a lot of people know that that road is bad. That road is in a bad state, it's in a bad condition, and they are scared to come or to drive their cars going along that road, either be local tourists or even international tourists from other countries. So they know the quality of that road, that the road is bad quality, is in poor quality, or is in bad condition, it's in bad state. And they are scared or they're afraid to drive their vehicles in case their vehicles gets damaged, gets destroyed, or gets spoiled when driving along that route, along that road. So when the road is now fine, is now quality, adhering and complying with the SADC road design standards, complying and adhering to SADC road quality standards. When the road is now well declared, it's now fine and good and great, in great shape, in great order. Zimbabwe, this country, this nation, is going to experience a high number of tourists coming or going all the way to Victoria Falls to enjoy their time in Victoria Falls and see all the wonders that Jehovah God created by his hands. So these tourists can be local tourists from Zimbabwe, from Bulawayo, any part of Matabeleland, or even from Mashonaland region, Mashonaland province, going to Victoria Falls to enjoy their time, see all the wonders, see all the beauty that is there in Victoria Falls. So in terms of tourism, there'll be a boost, there'll be a radical shift, a great boost in terms of numbers of people, tourists, local tourists, international tourists going to Victoria Falls to enjoy their time, see the beauty of God, see the handiwork of Jehovah God in Victoria Falls, right? When it comes to the economy, of course, there will be an increase, there will be a great shift, increase in the economic activity. Let's say starting from Bulawayo, even in Victoria Falls. So the economy of Victoria Falls, the economy of Bulawayo, the economy of Matabeleland, and the general economy of Zimbabwe, there will be a radical shift in terms of a positive increase, positive change in the economic activity, economic growth, economic development, because of the activities happening in tourism sector on that road or in these two cities that connects each other, Bulawayo and Victoria Falls. So there's going to be what is called a spillover effects or trickle down effects to the general economy of Zimbabwe or the general domestic economy of Zimbabwe, starting from the economy of Bulawayo and economy of Victoria Falls, or again in particular, economy of Matabeleland. So it's called a spillover effects or trickle down effects, going down or running down even to the general economy of Zimbabwe. People even in Mashonaland are gonna feel the effect, are gonna experience and encounter this positive feeling, this positive effect because of the activities, tourism business, tourism deals that will be taking place between Bulawayo City and Victoria Falls City. And even if people from Mashonaland will feel it, will experience it, like, wow, something's happening there. They will know, they would understand that, wow, there's something that's taking place there. Bulawayo and Victoria Falls, something good, something nice, something great in terms of tourism, tourism activities, tourism deals, tourism business. When it comes to tourism, and remember, Bulawayo and Victoria Falls, they are known for being a tourist cities, premium tourist cities in Zimbabwe, in this country, in this nation. So these are some of the positive effects, positive changes that are going to happen. Definitely, I'm sure about that. I predict that is going to happen when this road gets finished or gets completed after 8 months from now. Right. So when it comes to economic activity, economic growth, economic development, starting from Bulawayo again and Victoria Falls, these two cities connecting each other, there'll be a lot of economic activities. There'll be a lot of good transportation. The road network will be very fine and good. And people are going to be happy. They're going to celebrate. They're going to enjoy driving along that road, along that route, Bulawayo to Victoria Falls. So this, by extension, is going to generate a lot of economic activities, a lot of businesses, a lot of companies coming to invest in Bulawayo, coming to invest in Victoria Falls. Whatever companies, whatever business, whatever enterprise or business corporations, business enterprise will come and invest their money, everything, either in Bulawayo town or in Victoria Falls, because the road network is not fine. The government will have created a conducive environment for this to happen, to allow investment, either local investment or FDI, foreign direct investment, FDI, foreign direct investment, to happen. Companies from other countries, businesses, corporations, multinational institutions, multinational companies, multinational businesses coming to invest in the city of Bulawayo, in the city of Victoria Falls, because the road network that connects these two cities will be fine, will be okay, will be great, in great shape, in great order, in great condition. So I know, I know, I'm sure about this. We are going to experience a greater number of investment deals happening, a greater level of investment happening in Bulawayo, in Victoria Falls. Investment in whatever economic sector, talk of construction, talk of engineering, talk of retail sector or wholesale sector, talk of manufacturing, food processing, a textile industry, this clothing factories or clothing industries, or maybe heavy industries. Something of this sort is going to happen. And again, even this one, tourism sector. So in whatever sector, I know, I'm sure about this, there's going to be a lot of investment, even from the Zimbabwean government or from the Zimbabwean citizens, Zimbabwean people, Zimbabwean companies, Zimbabwean businesses, Zimbabwean business enterprises are going to invest in that part of this, in that part of the world, in that side of the world, Bulawayo and Victoria Falls, Matebeni region, Matebeni province, even from outside the country of Zimbabwe, from Africa, even from other countries of the world, Asia, Europe, American, or in American continents, they are going to come with their money, come with their resources, come with their assets, come with their skills and knowledge, and invest in that part of the world, in that side of the world, Matebelen province, or Bulawayo to be in particular, Bulawayo or Victoria Falls. All this is going to happen when that road gets finished, when that road gets completed. And by so doing, a lot of jobs will be opened up in Bulawayo. A lot of job employment opportunities will be opened up in Victoria Falls when companies, businesses come and invest their money, open up business, open up investments in Bulawayo, in Victoria Falls, or maybe any part of Matabeleland. As far as using that road is concerned, as far as using that route is concerned. So a lot of jobs, a lot of employment opportunities are going to open up for people in Matabeleland, for Ndebele people, for all the people, all the foreigners, all the tribes of people in Bulawayo, in Matabeleland province, Matabeleland region. So these are the positive effects, positive changes that are coming to that part of the world, Matabeleland region, to that side of the world, by the name Matabeleland province, Matabeleland region, and in particular, Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town. So people in Bulawayo, people in Matabeleland region, or even people in Victoria Falls by extension, I want you to be happy. I want you to be excited. I want you to jump and ululate. I want to jump and celebrate the great positive shift that is coming to your side, that is coming your way in your life, political, social, economical, and by extension, even financially. Good things are going to happen, or good things are already happening in your world, there in your side where you stay, Victoria Falls or Bulawayo, or the communities or villages along that road, Bulawayo to Victoria Falls Road. Good things are going to happen. Great things are going to happen. Amazing, wonderful stuff is going to happen to that side where you stay, where you live. The economy of Zimbabwe is going to improve. I'm telling you, the economy of Bulawayo, economy of Victoria Falls, economy of Matabeleland region or Matabeleland province in general is going to shift to another level, to the next level. I'm telling you, you're going to see this happening after finishing this road, after completing this road. From now, just 8 months from now, according to the timetable that they've planned, that they've drafted down on paper, they said you're going to take 8 good months when these 5 companies or 5 contractors will construct and build that road. What are comments? What are these opinions? What are your points of thoughts based on what I've said? Drop, write, type in the comment box, comment section. I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.